Hello, guys. Welcome to a new fresh Friday episode. We're gonna speak about a very important subject today, guys, because the subject of today, guys, is the Bitcoin dominance versus the altcoins, guys. I think the time it's come that the altcoins are getting some power, some they get some money from the Bitcoin, and it's flowing inside the altcoins and the meme coins, guys. I want to take a further look in this altcoin dominance versus the Bitcoin dominance, guys. I want to see how the charts looks and what's the probability that it's going more down. So that means that the altcoins can have massive pumps, guys. I think it's very important to discuss this because in this channel, I know you guys are a lot in the altcoins and meme coins. And I thought, okay, let's discuss it before the weekend. It's a perfect episode to do that. So, guys, let's take a look first at the bubbles. The bubbles, guys, today it looks green. It looks very green. And maybe it has also to do with this Bitcoin dominance, what we talked about, guys, because this Bitcoin dominance, when it's go lower, it's quite important. And like I told you guys 3 or 4 days ago, we made the episode about this Bitcoin dominance subject, and I told you guys the charts looks like the Bitcoin dominance it's going quite down at the moment, and Bitcoin is losing a little bit power to the altcoins, and that's nothing to worry about. That's very good and healthy in the market because Bitcoin made a quite big pump until now. So it's time that the altcoins and the meme coins gonna pump even harder because that's the game, guys. When Bitcoins like increase 50%, normally altcoins increase 100%. And with a lot of altcoins, it didn't happen. With a couple one, it happened. Like with for example Pepe, what I showed you the charts, it went until from October, it went a lot more up than Bitcoin, for example. So when you were in, for example, Pepe, you had more gains from October than when you were in Bitcoin. And sometimes it doesn't look like that, guys. But when you look the charts and you check it, you see, hey, it's like that. So sometimes because we are very short memory in this crypto, guys, sometimes we see our coin going up like 200% and we see it 3 days going down 30%, and everybody think, wow, what this altcoin, what this meme coin, it's so bad, why it's going down, and the Bitcoin at that moment it's going up. But if you look it in a clear way and realistic way, you see, hey, the altcoin from that time was a lot more up than the Bitcoin. So we should sometimes from time to time look at that, guys. So, guys, a green day in the bubbles. Let's go to the charts and let's go to the Bitcoin dominance. Or, guys, let's first take a look at the Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin index, guys. The Bitcoin, guys, it looks quite good because it pumped again from the 91k, guys, and it means if we come above 97k, guys, if we come above 97k, let's go to the 4 days charts. I think that's a little bit better to show it. If we come above let's say this point 98.4, or even from 97 up, and we close above 98.400, that means the probability get bigger and bigger and bigger that we're gonna again retest the 99k. Because, guys, I think the next time that we come at the 99k support again, residence, sorry, we will break it. The chance is very big at the time that we are now in the market. So let's hope that that happen. A little sip of the coffee, guys, on the Friday morning. It's always good, guys. A nice coffee with the charts of Bitcoin. So, guys, as long we stay above this point, above around 97k, that means that the bulls are in control and that we're gonna try to retest the 99k. If we break, for example, this point at 95k, guys, if we break 95k, it means the probability get bigger that we're gonna go again retest the 91k. And when we're gonna retest the 91k, guys, the support there will be less strong than the last time that we were there. That was like at 26. It was like 3 days ago. because each time when you reach at the support, guys, and you retest it again and again, each time it get weaker and weaker until it's until it breaks, guys. That's normally how it works in the charts. So, guys, as long we stay actually above 95k, and we try to stay even above 97k, everything looks good, and we go up. If we're gonna break the 95k, guys, the probability become bigger that we're gonna retest the 91k and even go lower. But at this moment of the time, we look bullish. It looks like the bulls are in control, and it looks like that we're gonna go higher. So that's great news, guys. Let's now go to the Bitcoin dominance. What I want to talk about. Like you see in this chart, guys, that the Bitcoin dominance, it's going a lot down. This is like the 4-hour charts. We are under all the moving averages. And that's normally a bad sign, guys. That let's say a bad sign for Bitcoin dominance. A good sign when you are in altcoins and meme coins, because it means that the money is flowing from Bitcoin to the altcoins. And that means, guys, that maybe the alt season, the meme season, really gonna take a start now. End November, begin December. The Christmas is coming, guys. Normally December is a good alt season month, guys. So that's very good. Let's go to the daily. The daily shows very clear, guys, that we broke this point at 58.75%, guys. This was a point where I had this line, was a point that should hold when Bitcoin wanna stay strong in the dominance of Bitcoin, guys. But like you guys see, it didn't hold. It didn't hold, and we closed at this point. It hold actually two times. It hold, and the third time, that's what that's what I mean, guys. If you retest support second time and third time and fourth time, one time it get weaker and weaker, and this time it couldn't hold, and we stayed under it. So the body was closed under it, and guys, when a body closed under a support, that means that in that moment that you're gonna normally, that it's 80% chance that you're gonna see lower prices and that you're gonna go lower. So guys, at this moment, it looks like that we're gonna go lower, and that Bitcoin dominance versus the altcoins, that the Bitcoin is losing dominance, guys. So that's actually good news to go from Bitcoin inside altcoin. And I think that a lot of big investors of Bitcoin also realizing that at this moment, and they gonna search for altcoins. And like you see, the pump is going a little bit more up for the altcoins today and yesterday. That means the Bitcoin money, the Bitcoin investors are looking for new altcoins. It shouldn't, it's not always meme coins, but meme coins are very, guys. Meme coins at this moment of the year, at this moment of the time, are a hype, guys. There is a lot talk about meme coins, even in Twitter, even in X, even in the charts like facts, guys. The meme coins outperformed all the other coins, guys. Meme coins are the number one at this moment out all the altcoins what exist, guys. It's not EA, it's not tech, it's just meme coins. People love meme coins. People realize that with meme coins you can make great gains. Of course, the risk is also high with meme coins. Just you should, of course, be a little bit, have a little bit knowledge, know where you have to look at when you go do this kind of things, guys. What I also gonna make episode about, guys. So make sure you just subscribe and put the link and put the bell, because I gonna make an episode about Dex Screener. Dex Screener is like the site where all the meme coins come before they are listed in the exchange. So that's the moment, guys, that you can buy a meme coin at the best price, at really retail price. So before it come on the exchange, and if you know where to look at as a scout, like a football scout, if you know where to look at, you can find sometimes very good options, guys. And I gonna dive also inside this. I gonna learn you guys how to find meme coins index screener. So maybe it serves for you guys if you want to go in the meme season, hunting meme coins, guys. Because hunting meme coins, it's very nice if you know how to do it. Because sometimes, guys, you can make easy gains with that, and big gains. Because sometimes, like for example with Peanut, it come on Dex Screener, A lot of people buy that, like not a lot of people, but the group of people buy that for very low prices, and then it get exchange in the exchange like Binance. Guys, with €100 you could make like millions. It sounds crazy, it sounds ridiculous, but that's how it works. And sometimes with a little amount money you can already make a big crazy amount money. What's really serious money, guys, that when we talk about hundred and thousands, not about a couple K or something. So I'm gonna learn you in I'm gonna make an episode just for dex screener, how to use it, how to see which coin it's not to it can be a scam, which coin can be more have more probability to be a good coin. There are some points to look at where you can see that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in one of the next episodes. So make sure you subscribe, guys, so you don't miss that episode, because it will be a fantastic episode where you can learn something what really serves you in this meme season, in this super cycle, what I expect what's coming, guys. So guys, the Bitcoin dominance is going down, and that's good. So that means, guys, we are now almost in December. Monday, I think it's December. So it sounds very, very good, guys. It sounds like the alt season, it's starting and booming and everything. It's going how like we planned it. And let's see, guys. Let's see how far this Bitcoin dominance can go lower without that the Bitcoin price is crashing. So that's also very important, because when the Bitcoin price is really crashing, everything gonna crash, guys, because people take the money out the market and then everything crash. Like the best thing is that Bitcoin stays in a sideways formation, for example, between 96K and 100K or something like that, a 5K between, not too much up and downs, because a big fast move down, it scares people, but a little moves down, like 1K 1K up, 1K down, and a couple Ks down, that doesn't scares people. People think, okay, this is in a bull market, we are not scared for a couple K under, this is gonna go up again, this is directly bite. The people buy it again, this sells, and that's not the problem. Just we don't need a big crazy dump or pump, because a dump, like a pump is not even so bad, but a dump, a crazy big dump, it scares the hell out of the most people, and they are fast out. And when this happen, guys, it gets like an ice ball what's falling from the mountain. It go faster and faster, and before you know, you are in one big downside movement, guys. And in that kind of moments, you need to be sharp, and you need to be very fast in acting, guys. That's very important in the trading, I think. So, guys, I think that's we saw enough about the Bitcoin dominance. So, in my sense of feel, Bitcoin dominance, it's losing the control to the altcoins. So, it's a great time to find your altcoins. And yesterday, guys, I made a great video about some meme coins what can have a big move up. And since I made this video of yesterday, for example, Peanut, it's going up, Retardio went up, Hopi went up, guys. Hopi today went a good up, almost 25%. So I think Hopi is also going up. It's all good news, guys. I'm gonna make some more with videos about the meme coins. If I found something very special on that screen, of course I'm gonna share it with my lovely subscribers, guys, because you guys supporting me very good, and I support you guys back, and we are one family. And if you have something new, or you see something self-index screener, share it, guys. Share it with us. We are one group. Share it in the comments. We are glad to know it. We are one group, and we try to help each other and give information what serves. So that's the most important in this channel, guys. This channel I didn't make to make money. I also don't do nothing to make money in this channel. I don't use nothing for making money in the channel. Just I want to make a kind, good, positive energy channel with a good group, guys, that we can share things with each other, and that's already can make more than enough money with the good information what we can win, guys. Guys, I wish you all a fantastic Friday. I hope you enjoy the weekend. I hope you all see you all in the next episode. Wherever you are in the world, be happy, no stress, think good, and protect your bags, guys. Crypto Milad, see you all to the next episode, hopefully. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching.